I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout the process. This preparation helps prevent accidents and ensures a smooth battery swap. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Depending on your Jeep Grand Cherokee model, the battery might be under the passenger seat or in the engine bay. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign, to prevent electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure for optimal performance. To finish up, secure the new battery firmly with its hold-down clamp or strap. This prevents movement and potential damage while driving. Now, start your Jeep Grand Cherokee to confirm the new battery is functioning properly and that all electrical systems are working. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.